Israel has one of the most advanced coastal defense networks in the world. Layered radars, missile shields, naval patrols, early warning systems. But Iran is rolling out a new generation of anti-ship missiles, longer ranged, smarter, and harder to stop. So here's the critical question. Could Iran's latest ship-killer missiles overwhelm Israel's coastal defenses if conflict spills into the Mediterranean? Let's break it down. Iran understands one strategic truth. It cannot match Israel or the US Navy ship for ship. So instead, Tehran focuses on sea denial, not sea control. Anti-ship missiles allow Iran to threaten naval movement from land, project power far beyond its coastline, support allies like Hezbollah, complicate maritime operations without deploying fleets. This doctrine is cheaper, survivable, and highly asymmetric, and it's evolving fast. Iran's latest anti-ship missiles differ significantly from older designs. Key upgrades include extended range. Newer systems reportedly exceed 300 to 500 kilometers, allowing strikes deep into contested waters. Advanced guidance, active radar seekers, infrared imaging, mid-course updates via drones or ISR platforms, low observable profiles, sea-skimming flight paths, reduced radar signature, terminal pop-up or dive maneuvers, high-speed terminal phase. Some variants reportedly accelerate in the final seconds, shrinking reaction time. This transforms anti-ship missiles from blunt weapons into precision naval threats. The real danger isn't the missile alone, it's the integrated kill chain. Iran now combines long-range coastal radars, maritime surveillance drones, satellite cueing, over-the-horizon targeting, networked command systems. This allows missiles to launch without visual contact, receive mid-course guidance, adjust to moving targets, coordinate salvos from multiple launch points. For defenders, this means the threat is persistent, mobile, and unpredictable. Israel is not defenseless. Its naval security architecture includes advanced ship-based air defenses, long-range maritime radar, electronic warfare systems, Air Force rapid response, missile interception layers. Israel's strategy focuses on early detection, preemptive strikes, disrupting the kill chain, intercepting missiles in terminal phase. But layered defense works best against limited, predictable attacks. Here's the realistic assessment. Iran cannot guarantee destruction of Israeli warships. Israel retains air and naval superiority. But Iran can raise the cost of maritime operations, Iran can force defensive saturation, Iran can limit freedom of maneuver. By using coordinated salvos, mixed missile types, decoys and drones, electronic warfare interference, Iran doesn't need to sink ships, it only needs to make the coast dangerous. That changes operational behavior. If Iranian-designed missiles appear in proxy hands or forward positions, the impact could include increased risk to Israeli gas platforms, restricted naval patrol zones, higher insurance and shipping costs, faster escalation during crises. This extends Iran's influence far beyond the Persian Gulf, directly into Israel's maritime backyard. Iran's new generation of anti-ship missiles does not guarantee victory at sea. But it doesn't need to. By combining range, guidance, and network targeting, Iran is challenging Israel's coastal security assumptions, turning naval space into contested territory, using missiles as strategic pressure tools. In modern naval warfare, the most powerful fleet is the one that can't safely approach. Do you think missile-based sea denial will eventually make large navies obsolete? Or will advanced defenses always adapt,